Okay, so I am now recording. We're now recording the meeting. So I guess the first thing to do is to say welcome to everybody. And this is intended mainly to make certain that everybody is on board and has their system, their problems solved before you start the tutorial next week. So it looks to me like we have experts, myself, Ethan Muldoon, Tom Junk, and Dave Demuth. And at some point, we may actually, if somebody's really stuck, we may actually do breakout rooms so that people can go and get particular problems fixed. But to begin with, we're going to start out by people introducing themselves. And uh, I should actually turn my camera back on, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, I'm Heidi Schellman. I used to run the computing consortium, and now Dave and I work on making certain that it's documented. And if you find problems with our documentation, please tell us about them so that the other 1,500 collaborators don't run into the same problem. We've now that there's the computing questions section in the in the DUNE Slack. A lot of people ask questions and then we actually update the documentation to reflect the answer to their question. So, anyways, as we go forward, one thing is, Dave, could you possibly monitor the chat as we go along in case people put questions in there? Sometimes that's easier than unmuting. Okay, but I'm going to call names and everybody should introduce themselves. So, Ethan Muldoon, can you unmute yourself and
Yeah.
say who the heck you are?
Hi. Yeah, I'm Heidi's postdoc, so I know a bit about some of the computing and file metadata stuff, but I'm going to be at the school to learn more about the actual Dune analysis and LARSoft and those things. So
Okay, Alistair Carney.
Hi there. As you just said, my name is Alistair Carney. I'm a first year PhD student at Royal Holloway, University of London, working on neutrino oscillations at DUNE with a software called Mach3, which we're actually going to have a kind of tutorial on from some of my colleagues later in the week next week.
Okay, well, we're not going to be able to answer all the questions about that, but anyways, RM.
Hello, my name is Ariam Acevedo. I'm from Ohio State University. I'm working with Dr. Zoya, and I'm working right now with 2x2 near detector prototype.
Okay, okay, so we got Ari Bratrud.
Hello, I'm Ari Bratch, and I'm at Valley City State University, and I'm working with Dr. Demuth on going muons to the moon.
Oh, okay. That I don't know. He's going to have to tell us about that sometime. Dave.
Oh, yeah. Hi, I'm David Demuth. I'm at a campus in North Dakota, Valley City State, and then working with Heidi and Tom and others on training and uh, documentation for computing.
Okay. Ava Sabater. You need to unmute if you can. Ava, are you there? Oh, well, go on to Isam Edihami.
Hi, my name is Issam
Oh,
Edihami.
we can't hear you very well.
I'm sorry. I have a
Yeah, you have a volume problem.
uh, I'm sorry. Is it better now?
Yeah, you may need to ask questions through the chat because we can't hear you. We can hear that you're there, but we can't hear you what you're saying. So we're going to go on to Gavin S. Davies, as opposed to the other Gavin Davies.
Oh, hello. Are we sorry, I just
You're
arrived, so
supposed to you're supposed to be introducing yourself. Who the heck are you?
oh, who am I? Good question. Yes. Thanks. Hi, I'm Gavin Davis. I'm a associate professor at the University of Mississippi. Also your DUNE Global Technical Lead. Um, yeah, I think that's about it. Here to help.
Okay, so Jason Kim.
Hello, I'm a postdoc at University of Rochester, and I'm giving a tutorial on the package called New Systematic, which is the package we use to deliver the cross-section systematics.
Oh, okay. So that's a Rochester thing. Okay, Kevin Vokarud.
Hello, I'm a postdoc at OSU, also working with Zoya. I'm also on Nova, so I've got a lot of experience with computing with CAFs, etc. on Nova. On DUNE, I've been working with Spine, but no experience of Larsoft or Pandora or Mac 3 or any of the other things. So, yeah.
Okay, I'll
Can
just
you
warn you.
clarify which OSU that was?
Yeah, that's Ohio State.
The Ohio State, yeah. Same
Yes,
area.
that you should your web address should be the OSU.
Yes.
Anyways, Kritika.
Hello, I'm a PhD student. I'm a second year PhD student at Lancaster University in the UK. And yeah, so I'm here for the tutorial. I'll be joining next week.
Okay, Luis Gustavo.
So, hello, I am a PhD student at the University of Campinas in Brazil, and now I am a visiting PhD student at University of Minnesota Twin Cities, and I just following this tutorial.
Okay, Sarah Hawkins.
Hi, I'm a third year PhD student at Michigan State University working with Dr. Sophie Berkman, and I work on neutrino interaction modeling.
Okay, Tom, you're next.
Hi, I'm a senior scientist at Fermilab. I've been on DUNE for a long time, so I've had a bunch of roles. Currently, I'm one of the software managers for the FAR detector and prototypes, and I work with the Larsoft team.
Yeah, if you need Larsoft, okay, so Vishnu.
Hi, I'm Vishnu from Northern Illinois University. I'm trying to make myself semi-useful, having never ever worked with Larsoft.
Okay, so and finally, William Tripp, unless we missed somebody along the way.
Hi, everyone. My name is Will. I'm a master's student at Tufts working on Nova right now. And in a few weeks, I'll be a PhD student at Tufts working on 2x2 and ND prototyping. So, DUNE.
Okay, so it sounds to me like some of this group is more advanced than us. So what we were mainly planning to do in this was make certain everybody could log into the computers and actually do anything. And I guess that would be a first thing to go over. I have a feeling that almost all of you, actually, maybe I made the wrong poll, and maybe the right poll would have been we're gonna rename the poll. I'm gonna run the poll, and once again, this is let's see if I can edit the poll. Relaunch, download results. Okay. I am going to, okay, relaunch the poll. So this is how are things going. So let me just change the question to, have you successfully logged in to the GPVMs at Fermilab with a valid account and been able to get everything, basically just get started at having an account and everything like that. So that'll tell us where we are. So we don't, we have the whole setup procedure, and some of you are obviously shy in that we have, okay, so David, I think we misjudged our audience. Most tutorials we do, most of the people don't know how to run the code at all. Okay, so it's looking to me like this is a pretty advanced group, and we may end up barging all the way into how to set up and run Larsoft. But I would like to do a bit of, I'm going to show you guys. So can you see that? You can see the poll. Okay, so it sounds to me like everybody can log in. This is much better than we normally see. So what I'm going to do now is actually I'm going to do a very quick run through of, if I can find it. Okay, there it is. Let me see if I go through this. I am going to go back to Zoom and